I'll show you what product options are and how to use them, and where to find the Options and Rules docking window. Let's get started! First, let's dive into product options. In the Properties window, product options allow you to toggle individual profiles of a component on or off. These options are available for various DigiPara Liftdesigner BIM components such as rail brackets, traction machines, or car frames. Let's turn off the bracket wall fixing profiles. These are the short profiles outwards, left and right. Initially, it might be tricky to identify which profile to select, but don't worry. Just experiment by activating or deactivating the profiles to see the effects. Let's explore the Options and Rules docking window located under the Start tab. These functions are not only intended for component developers, but are also useful for the Liftdesigner users. This window also allows you to toggle profiles on and off. Below the Options, you'll find the Rules section. Common components are designed to be manufacturer neutral and generally have no rules governing their behavior upon changes. Manufacturer products, which you can access via the DigiPara Liftdesigner Cloud, often come with rules. You can deactivate or reactivate these rules with a simple check mark. Remember, only the manufacturer or developer of the component is authorized to change rules and save them permanently in the database. Thanks for watching!